Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the system so diagnostics are meaningful. First, make sure Windows 11 has the latest cumulative updates, and then restart, because many driver fixes apply after a reboot. Open Device Manager and locate the HID-compliant touchscreen. This shows whether the OS detects hardware. Disable any external pointing devices because they can override touch input. Once done, try a quick touch test to see if touch registers. This tells you if the issue is software detection or physical. Now focus on drivers and calibration, since most problems lie here. You should check Device Manager. If a recent driver update broke touch, roll back. Otherwise, choose Update Driver and search automatically or browse the manufacturer package. Run the built-in hardware and devices troubleshooter to let Windows identify conflicts. After drivers are healthy, open Calibrate the screen for pen or touch and follow the prompts, because calibration aligns input coordinates with display pixels. Make sure touch gestures are enabled in settings so gestures respond correctly. Finish by isolating hardware faults and applying final fixes. Perform a hard reset. Shut down, unplug, remove battery if possible, hold power 15 seconds to clear residual states. If touch still fails, reboot into BIOS or use a Windows PE or Linux Live USB to test touch outside Windows. If it works there, it's a Windows software issue. If not, suspect the digitizer or ribbon cable. If you open the chassis, receipt display connectors carefully. If hardware is defective, seek authorized repair for digitizer replacement. One troubleshooting tip: try a system restore point before reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.